This is the breath-based practice for Phase 4, 3-part breath, in yoga called Durga Pranayama. Lie back comfortably with your knees bent and feet on the floor. Feel your spine align on the mat. Place one hand on your lower belly and the other on your chest. Inhale, feeling your breath moving into your belly. Exhale, release. As you breathe, broaden your awareness of the breath to feeling it in the lower belly, then the upper belly, and then the chest upon inhalation. Exhale, and feel your breath leave your chest, then your upper belly, and then your lower belly. It's as if your torso were a bucket, and the breath fills it from the bottom, the lower belly, then up to the chest, and it empties from the top, which is the chest, to the bottom, the lower belly. So again, feel the breath moving in and filling the lower belly, the upper belly, then the chest. Exhale, feel it release the chest, the upper belly, then the lower belly. Relax and focus on this breath sequence for 1 to 3 minutes. This breath allows you to breathe deeply and lower your stress.